If you find yourself going to a Korean restaurant with your friends or for a date, you may want to educate yourself on the food ahead of time. That said, we have put together a list of the top 5 Korean foods you need to try when eating at a traditional Korean restaurant. Stick around for number 5 because it's something you don't want to miss. First on our list is the mouth-watering Korean barbecue, specifically Galbi. These marinated short ribs are typically soaked in a sweet and savory marinade made from soy sauce, sugar, garlic, and sesame oil for several hours, allowing the flavors to penetrate the meat. When grilled, the ribs develop a beautiful char, while the inside remains tender and juicy. Eating Galbi is a fun experience, as you can grill the meat at your table, creating a smoky aroma that fills the air. Pair it with fresh lettuce leaves, garlic slices, and ssamjang, a thick, spicy dipping sauce for a delicious wrap that's bursting with flavor. Next up, we have Kimchi Jjigae, or Kimchi Stew. This hearty stew is a staple in Korean households, often made with overripe kimchi, which adds a rich, tangy flavor to the dish. The stew is typically prepared with tofu, pork belly, or tuna in a mix of vegetables like green onions and mushrooms. As it simmers, the flavors melt together, creating a comforting, spicy broth that warms you from the inside out. Served bubbling hot in a stone pot, Kimchi Jjigae is perfect with a side of steamed rice to balance the heat. It's a dish that truly embodies Korean comfort food. At number 3, we have the beloved street food favorite, Tteokbokki. These chewy rice cakes are made from glutinous rice flour and are known for their delightful texture. Tteokbokki is typically stir-fried in a sweet and spicy gochujang sauce, which is a fermented red chili paste that adds a deep, savory heat. Often, it's accompanied by fish cakes, boiled eggs, and green onions, creating a colorful, satisfying dish. Coming in at number 4 is the ever-popular Bulgogi. This dish features thinly sliced marinated beef that's tenderized with a mixture of soy sauce, sugar, sesame oil, garlic, and pear or apple for a hint of sweetness. The marinated beef is usually grilled or stir-fried, resulting in a caramelized exterior that locks in all these delicious flavors. Bulgogi is often served with a side of rice and a plate of fresh vegetables, making it a well-rounded meal. The combination of flavors and textures makes bulgogi a favorite among both Koreans and newcomers to the cuisine. You'll want to savor every bite. And finally, we can't overlook the crispy goodness of Korean fried chicken. This dish is known for its double fried technique, which gives it an incredibly crunchy exterior that's unlike any fried chicken you've ever had. The chicken is usually coated in a variety of sauces, ranging from sweet and spicy to garlic soy, allowing you to choose your flavor adventure. Served with pickled radishes, Korean fried chicken is a popular dish to enjoy with friends or during a night out. The contrast between the crispy skin and tender meat combined with the rich sauces makes this dish a must-try for anyone. Now let's end our meal with a sweet note with a delightful dessert, Bingsu. This Korean shaved ice dessert is a summer favorite, especially during hot weather. It features a mound of finely shaved ice topped with sweet red beans, condensed milk, and an array of colorful toppings like fresh fruits, mochi, and even ice cream. The combination of textures, from the fluffy ice to the chewy toppings, creates a refreshing dessert experience. Each spoonful is a celebration of flavor and texture, making it the perfect way to cool down after a spicy meal. Don't miss out on this delightful treat. So there you have it, my top 5 must-order items at a Korean restaurant. From the sizzling Galbi to the refreshing Bingsu, there's a world of flavors waiting for you. If you've tried any of these dishes or have your own favorites, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more delicious food adventures. Until next time, happy eating!